Hi friends, today we will cover the topic how to insert picture in header or footer in Microsoft Word. Friends, sometimes we need to insert a logo of our company or some other things in header or footer. How we can do that? I will tell you how we can this. First of all, open Microsoft Word. Friends, here you will see the blank document. When we double click on the top of the document or bottom of the document, then we will also go to directly to header or footer. Seem like I double click here, the header of document will automatically open, or I have to go to insert menu and then go to header of document. Okay, then I can also go here. Friends, if we want to insert picture, then I have to go to insert menu and then pictures, and from this device I will select the location from where my pictures are available. Like I want to insert the logo of Google, then I will select and insert. Friends, we can resize this picture according to our requirement like this, and we can also give any company name. Okay, here you will see we are going to make a header of any company, and if you want to quit from a header, then you have to click on document like here. Friends, here you will see that we have insert a picture in header. We can also make more picture or insert in header. You can also add shapes, icons or any other thing, but I will add the picture. I can also click here and we can resize the picture according to our requirement. And as I already earlier informed you that we can move this picture on right click and then go to wrap text, and here are two options, behind text or in front text. I will select in front of text. Now I will move this picture anywhere on the header, like up, down, and where I want to put this image like this. Okay, now this is the document, and we insert picture in header, and I also go to footer and we can also insert picture here. Same like header, go to this device menu, and I can add the picture here like this. Like this, you can see a picture available here, and we can give address of our company. Okay, or if we want to add any other picture, we cannot, like picture, this device and Google. Okay, resize this picture, and now this is the all about of footer. Now friend, I think you have understand the topic how we can insert a picture in header or footer. If you are facing any difficulty, you can write me in comments. I will help out. Thanks.